Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know that there's still people and situations that are triggering us, but we've chosen peace and harmony. And the unicorn spirit says that the change that you're going through is positive. There are sweet results awaiting for you. You are exactly where you are supposed to be, body, mind, and spirit. You've made the change, so break free from procrastination and embrace the opportunities change bring. It's time to heal. Use forgiveness to help you. Your angel card is 1717 today, and it's self-reliance. It's time for you to rely on your knowledge, your wisdom, and your ambitions. You are making the decisions, good decisions, that are going to help you move forward in your life. You are protective. You have a protective charm that brings you safety and peace. Embrace the in-betweens. It's an opportunity for that. Surround yourself with love. These temporary situations are going to go over. You ready for it? It is time to stop letting worry rule you. Instead, getting excited about your future. Slow down and celebrate yourself. Things will not always be this way. A change is inevitable. It's bringing you peace of mind and contentment, and there will be a stabilizing energy that will be around you. You've got rid of so many demons, and success is here for you. Move forward in your life in your own light and trust that there is something better for you, because there is. Don't be afraid to sing your own song. You've had great worry over nothing, which has caused you so much heartache and arguments and things like that. But that's getting sorted out, and there's money coming your way, and divine wishes are being granted. You are taking control of your own life, and you will be receiving a gift from the universe or Mother Earth. You've tried out many things and you are being patient. You're waiting for something good to come your way. You're not feeling stuck anymore, and your inner knowing is telling you that there are big, happy changes coming your way. Your loved ones are telling you that you must magnify your intentions, smile, you are being healed. I love you all. Have a great day.